Hi guys, it's Melody Lane, and today we have a mystery box. I know I said last time it was a good one. This one's even better. A brand new silver shimmer cutie. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's open the box. Awesome! Okay, let's look at the cutie first. There is a link in the description. I do get a small commission from that, and I really appreciate you using that. I don't get paid for these videos, but they did send me this mystery box so I can share it with you. It's silver shimmer. Yay! Thank you, Cricut. And let's see. This is metallic pen set 1 point. These are the metallic markers. These work great on dark colors or light colors. These are one of the best sets of markers. They have the purple and the blue, silver, gold, and bronze. They're beautiful. And they've never had this in a mystery box before. This is the True Control weeding knife. But it has extra attachments. So you have the knife, you have 3 weeding tools. This is my favorite one, the one with the poker. These tips also fit on the end of the other True Control knives. So if you have a few extra True Control knives, you can put these in the other True Control knives. These are great because you don't cut yourself. You don't touch it when you switch it out. You put this part in there, and you do it just like you change a blade with all the True Control knives, and you have extra attachments. Love this tool. It's awesome. What else do we have? Permanent glossy Vanguard sampler. So this has 3 different colors. It looks like this color you see here, and then a gold and a blue. And it's holographic sparkle. Looks like we're gonna have to open this to see what colors they are. I'm gonna use my other True Control knife to cut this open. Ooh! Hey, where's that blue one? I see it. There it is. Look at that blue. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. These are permanent. Holographic sparkle vinyl. This one is the silver. This one is beautiful. Oh, I love this one. Thank you, Cricut. And this one is another sampler. You get the gold, silver, and black shimmer. So it's the shimmer one. I don't know if you can see in camera how shimmery it is. And with this one, I think you do want to use the Stronghold transfer tape. And this one is another sampler. You get all of these colors of foil. And this is adhesive foil. I love this stuff. It's like chrome in different colors. And then iron-on in emerald green foil. Look at this. Okay, we got poster board in metallics in all those colors. Love that. And sparkle paper bejeweled sampler. And this is a smooth. It's very smooth. It's not, you can't feel the glitter in it. It's a really smooth paper. Now this is a Cricut access only. There's nothing in here. This box is for Cricut access only, and because you have Cricut access, you get 10% off. If you have premium access, you get 20% off. My code does not work on the box, and you get this cutie. Now remember, I do have a group called Cricut Cutie Swap. If you don't like cuties, you can sell them for more than you pay for the box. Make sure you use the link in the description below. I really appreciate it. And thank you for Cricut for sending me this box so I can show all my viewers what's in it. Bye guys, see you real soon.